For us in Edo, it's about Nigeria first. Whatever we're doing politically must be one that will strengthen and preserve our country. And our view is that this country, Nigeria, cannot be preserved and sustained if there's no fairness and equity. Because we need that unity. We need to realize that as a country, we all must feel that we are part of this country and have access and opportunities like any one of us. So as we look towards 2023, we must understand that for us to preserve our country, all parts of this country must feel included in the politics. A situation where any part, any unit, any zone is left out, is not considered as if it is fit or has what it takes to provide leadership in this country, we are only setting a basis for crisis. We must have a situation where there is adequate consultation, where there are adequate consultations across the various groups, across the divide, so that we can build, if you don't even call it a consensus, but build an alignment to produce a leadership that can take Nigeria out of the crisis we face today. Anything that is not inclusive, Edo is not part of it, because Edo wants us to build a strong, united country so that we can face the challenges ahead of us.
As you know, I'm one of those from my paper who are aspiring to serve this country. And my aspiration is born out of the fact that our country is going through a very difficult time, where we need to all make sacrifice in building a better nation for our children. You are somebody who is conversant because of your background of the enormity of the problem in this country today. That if not aggressively tackled from 2023, this country will not be there for all of us for a long time. I'm in alignment with anything that will bring about equity, respect, and love of each zone. We want fairness, the foundation of building in a multi-ethnic, diverse society or nation like Nigeria. The first foundation of building unity, which you need in order to commence development, is fairness, equity, respect, and love of each. You have to bring everybody, it must be inclusive. It must be with respect. So we work with everybody. And of course, we have to dialogue and consult. Whatever we're going to do must be with consultation, dialogue, love, and caring.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.